Hi and welcome to LearnCity. My name is Liberty Samuel and welcome to the module 2 of this course. Today we are going to be talking about communication skills for customer service. Communication skills are essential for customer service professionals who must be able to effectively communicate with customers to understand their needs, address their concerns, and provide helpful solutions. Effective communication can help build trust and rapport with customers, increase customer satisfaction, and ultimately improve the reputation of the organization. Here are some communication skills that are particularly important for customer service professionals. Number 1, active listening. Active listening involves paying attention to the customer, focusing on what they are saying, and demonstrating that you are engaged in the conversation. This includes making eye contact, nodding, and paraphrasing what the customer has said to ensure that you have understood their message accurately. Number 2, empathy. Empathy involves understanding the customer's situation and emotions and being able to relate to their experiences. This can help the customer feel heard and valued, and can help the customer service professional provide more effective solution. Number 3, clarity. Clarity involves using clear and concise language, avoiding technical jargons or complex terminology that may confuse the customer. It also involves avoiding ambiguity and ensuring that the message is conveyed accurately and easily understood by the customer. Number 4, tone and body language. Tone and body language can convey a lot about the speaker's attitude and intention. Customer service professionals must be mindful of their tone and body language, ensuring that they convey a positive and helpful attitude. This can include smiling, using an upbeat tone, and using open body language. Number 5, problem solving. Effective communication in customer service also involves problem solving skills. This involves actively seeking solutions to the customer's problem using critical thinking and creative problem solving techniques to identify the root cause of the issue and develop effective solutions. Number 6, patience. Customer service professionals must be patient, particularly when dealing with frustrated or upset customers. This involves remaining calm and composed, avoiding becoming defensive or agitated, and providing reassurance that the issue will be resolved. Number 7, adaptability. Communication skills in customer service also involves adaptability. This includes being able to adapt to the customer's communication style, using different techniques to communicate with customers who may have different needs, preferences, or cultural backgrounds. In summary, communication skills are crucial for customer service professionals. Active listening, empathy, clarity, tone and body language, problem solving, patience, and adaptability are all important components of effective communication in customer service. Developing and honing these skills can help improve customer satisfaction, build customer loyalty, and enhance the reputation of the organization.